All I wanna hear is an visions of we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish you away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kai. For any of you that are new, today I'm installing this iPart wig from ILikeHair. They sent over this really great texture wig, you guys. I really like it, and I'm really loving the key feature of no leave out to the most minimum amount of leave out, okay? So to get started, showed you guys the packaging. The packaging is this beautiful orange box. How the wig is made. It has 6 clips, and then you also have that additional clip in the back. You are getting a bunch of security with this wig. I know sometimes that is like the biggest fear when wearing wigs that are just like comb and clip-in install. I feel like sometimes people tend to kind of shy away from that because there's no glue, no adhesive holding that wig in place. So to install the wig, my first attempt was to install the wig with no leave out whatsoever. My hair is really thin, so it was a little bit more of a challenge for me to install it that way. So what I wanted to do first was kind of tease my hair to make my roots just appear a little bit more thick. That way I could install the wig with no leave out. However, it didn't look that great to me with my texture hair and then this wig. It didn't look right to me, but I know that it is possible because I've seen so many other YouTubers do it, but it just wasn't working for me. So I went on to the method of installing the wig with just my little bit of leave out. So like I said, this is an iPart wig, so you actually don't need a whole lot of hair out when you are putting this wig on. So that's like the great thing about it. No lace, no glue, very little leave out, no leave out. The roots, like the closure area of the unit, it'll match your roots of your hair. So it has a lot of great key features. So I used all the clips at the top, and I'm going to use my minimum amount of leave out and just straighten that over this texture hair. This hair is giving like semi-yaki. It's not full-blown yaki, but it has that natural texture to it, if you know what I mean. So as you can see, I left out a little bit of my hair right at the front, right? But towards the back, where you can still see that like exposed root area of the wig, I'm going to tease it just by pulling out a little bit of my hair, because it's going to blend and it's going to hide it. You'll see. You just got to keep watching. You'll see how everything is going to come together. Is you don't have to worry about too much heat damage, because you really are taking out such a small amount of your hair, or you have the option, like I said, to not take your hair out. So very little heat damage to be concerned about. The wig is super duper secure. I felt like it was really friendly to my size and my head, so I would put it in the big head friendly range. I really appreciate that this wig was giving like natural, okay? It was really giving natural. Like, I was really pleased once I got the unit fully installed. I was like, wow, this this showed out. I was, you know, I was concerned. I was like, how is this gonna look? But 10 out of 10 over here. I would certainly wear this wig out. If you guys are liking what you see so far, make sure you check out my description bar below. I do have a direct link to this wig, and you also can use the coupon code KAYA25 and you can save 25% off of your purchase. Let me know what you guys are thinking about it in the comment section below. Another great key feature is that since it's an I-part wig, you basically can adjust this wig however you want, you know. If you want to make it into a side part, you can do that. If you want to do the middle part, you can do that. Pull it back in a little ponytail. Of course, keep your hair right in the front with the parting space, but you can pull it back, wear it in a ponytail. It's very versatile in your styling options. So I know that some people are not comfortable with lace and, you know, they don't want to use glue. They'd rather just have some type of short process to get additional hair in the head to get a different style. And I definitely think the I-part wig would be a great source for that. So that is all I have for you guys. Let me know what you think about this final look. Hunty, because I-part wig, I freaking love. I was very much so pleased, you guys, when I finished installing this wig. But that's all I have for you all. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.